Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, Precious Millionaire Logistics. Recall, I'm just going to do a review on the odd yen trade that we recently analyzed and how the trade is going. I personally I don't like the way it's going right now. I feel like I gave the analysis too early, right? Like I gave out the trade too early because just one of the conditions was met, and the second, which was supposed to be a confirmation one, but so far I've just been waiting on the trade and I've not found that confirmation yet. Now let's go through it again, guys. So we recently analyzed the odd yen. Sorry, I'll be doing it very quickly, right? Because I don't want to waste much of your time. The odd yen was supposed to it broke and closed below our moving average, right? And it was supposed to perhaps test a resistance level, like a slight correction, and then continue downwards. But so far, I know you guys must have been expecting something. Let me look at the daily time frame here. Okay, so far this was the candle that pretty well broke and closed below the moving average. Just one candle, right? Just one daily candle. We usually have like 1 week candle and all that actually meets that particular condition. Remember guys, for this we're not trading supply and demand, because the demand zone is kind of further away from it, right? And the supply zone, which is up here too, is still kind of further away from the price here. However, all we're trading is just major like a resistance and support. So the pair here, the price here at this point here, this was where we're expecting the reaction, right? As it tested here, though, because odd yen is an exotic pair, so we don't know how many times it's gonna test this area, because odd yen being an exotic pair is quite volatile, right? So the pair on this second day, it's been reaching for this area, which here serves as a kind of a resistance level from the price structure that we see here. That's why I actually put this area here as a valid consideration, that we're going to look for a price action pattern on the 4-hour time frame, right, to actually trade the pair. But guys, this is what we're going to do at this point, right? If you're on this trade, right, if you're on this trade and you actually follow the exact procedure I told you, by now you'll still be in the trade, right? Though maybe if you guys close, maybe if you're on the trade already, if you close, you may be closing in little loss from swaps and all that. Say maybe you open the trade on Monday, or if you open the trade on Tuesday, same thing, right? Little losses. But if you've been following up, you still will be far more profitable so far. However guys, I'll advise you close the trade at this point, right? Let's just take the loss this one time, it's okay. But guys, do note that we'll still be bringing up banger analysis and banger trade setups and all that, so it's all gonna be fine eventually, right? So this is what I'll be looking forward to now for this pair. Though if you wish to buy, we could actually look for a buy trade, but the month is kind of closing to an end. It's coming to an end real fast, and I'll still have to look out for other factors, right, before I start analyzing the chart again. I won't tell you some of those factors, but then I just still have to look for other factors, right? So maybe within the week I'll be looking forward for other trades. I'll be on the watch pair, looking for trades and see if something bright comes up, right? Something bright comes up, because I'm still expecting a kind of okay, not too certain, but this is what I'll be looking at for this pair, guys. Okay, I'll be looking at this level, right? This will be our range level now. So for me to sell, guys, I'll be watching the pair closely. If the pair breaks below this zone that is here, right, by the end of this week, if it breaks this zone and comes downwards at this point, if it breaks this level right here, if it breaks this level, guys, you can add the marker. If it breaks this level, I'll go for a sell, right? But then if it breaks above this particular level here and perhaps breaks this structure, I'll look for a buy, right? But then guys, not to worry, even if you're not on this trade, there's no need to watch it. I don't know how good you guys are on this, but like I said, this is the level I'm watching now. If the pair breaks below this level, I'll be looking for a sell. If it breaks above this red line here, or this yellow line, if it breaks above here, right, I'll be looking for a buy to the upside. But then there are some other factors that may determine the direction of this pair, moving forward, guys. So I'm very sorry for this one. I don't know how much loss you may have gone through. But if you actually enter this trade based on the analysis I dropped, guys, based on the analysis, I mean, I know some of you may just come by the content and you just fast forward, you go straight to the point where we say sentimental bias is sell or sentimental bias is buy. But if you actually follow the video up to the point that you understood the analysis and the conditions and the steps that we took, right, and then you enter this trade, right, just signify in the comment box. If you enter the trade and maybe you had some losses and all, just signify in the comment box. But I promise I'm going to make this up to you guys. Perhaps we'll be doing 2 more analysis or even more, right, just to make up for this, guys. So that'll be all on this, guys. Safe.